Okay, let's see if I can set this up. Let's see here. This is the Commodore 64, of course. And what I have here is a diagnostic disc. I got this for like $9.95. It's supposed to run a bunch of different tests, so we're going to see if this thing will work. It plugs into where the cartridge would normally go. So let's see if I can get it lined up in there. Come on, you. Put them together. Okay, got it in there. Alright, now let's see if we can turn the main power on. See if we can get this thing to go. Let's see. Alright. It's making noise. Alright. Alright. There we go. Screen's on. So this thing's going to run through some diagnostic tests, apparently for it's checking out all the RAM chips. So it'll be going through a bunch of different stages here. Dog, would you stop jumping on me? Let's see. I'm not sure how that's going to come out on film, but hey. But it'll go through each section. And of course, there we go. So we know the sound works at least. The power supply will probably work up until the time that it overheats. After about a half hour, it tends to start going. So what I think's wrong with that is I think the electrolytics are leaking in that. So I do have another power supply coming, so that should be okay. Does it get any closer? I don't know. Let's see. There we go. Guys get a better shot at it. But yeah, it just runs through the checks. It's at RAM 6 right now. It started off with a 9. It's going back and forth between 9 and 8, 6. It's be going through all of them, all the stages. And now it's back to 1, 2. So it'll just keep on testing until I tell it to stop, basically, until it goes right to the end. And so at least, anyhow, it tells me that the sound works and everything else works on the console itself, and also I know the color works on the video monitor as well. So far so good, you know. I mean, for something I put together. Of course, the dog's just gonna go nuts down here. Every time he hears a sound, he starts going crazy here. But he's busy doing something else now. So what are we up to now? Let's see. We're looking at RAM chips 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, dog, would you stop? He wants me to keep holding him all the time. So anyhow, yeah, there's your boring video for today, right? But anyway, I want to show you some other stuff I'm doing here. Well, that thing's going. And now let's see if I can get that right. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is a stock I just got. I just bought this on eBay, and the reason I needed this was before. Remember, I went ahead and I changed the barrel on my other 1916 Mauser. So this is a 7mm Mauser. I have all the parts in it right here. So what I'm trying to do, since this is also another Mauser stock, I'm going to go ahead and the 1916 Mauser is now going to have this stock. It's actually a Czechoslovakian, I think it's a 24 or something like that, but it is a Mauser stock, and it also is a carbine which is what the other 1916 stock was as well. And even if it's not cut perfectly, I have bedding compounds so that I can reset it. So this should work. Oh, there goes the dog. Going crazy, this guy today. Stop! What are you going crazy for? Look at him. Look at him. What, you went outside? Timmy falling away? Too much going on for you? Squirrel! Squirrel! Look at the squirrel! Woo! I'd love to do that to the dog. There's no way that squirrel's out there. The squirrel only shows up during the time when we see, now he's going to want to come in. But yeah, I'm going to redo this, and then we shall see. That'll be also some other upcoming videos. I got to do something while I'm inside the house anyway. I can't redo much of anything else. It snowed on and off here today, and they said it's supposed to snow again, but I don't think it's going to. But anyhow, let's go back to our little thing, see how this guy's doing. Here. Let's see. Well, it just keeps going and going and going. 0, 1. So anyway, it'll keep on going through. So it's by hitting F5. I think I don't. Ah, that's why. Oh. Well, let's see. Oh. Yeah, okay. So I've turned it down. See, I've turned the contrast way down, and it's still showing up as being really bright on this thing. I don't know why. Let me turn my light off back here. Does that show up or anything? Yeah. You probably see it a little better that way anyhow. I can bring it a little closer. That's what happens when I hit F5. I don't know what happens if I hit it again. Oh, it goes back to the other diagnostic program. But yeah, so far it's still working. So it's testing all the RAM chips in that. I think there's a total of, I think it's like 9 different RAM chips in it. I say I went through 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, I went through all 9. So anyhow, that's pretty much it. We're looking at Commodore 64 that's working pretty well, and we'll be testing out the power supply after my other power supply gets here in a couple of days with another console. Actually, I went ahead and I bought that for like $68. I won an auction online, so it was even cheaper than this one. So anyhow, there we are. That's going to be it for now. See you guys later.